Yes or no?
Then 1 0 will be.
Sorry. 1 0 1 0. So here the chances is that for a single number there will be two possibility. So in this cases, which bit is transmitted for 4 bit or 5 bit? So in that cases some ambiguity is generated. So for a particular security purpose cases, we are not basically use this one, but for different application we can use BCD or 2421. Then another one is the XS3 code. XS3 is not the weighted code. Weighted code means here we are not having some weighted code cases, every position having some weightage. But in this cases, here the positional weightage, it is not mentioned. It is just XS3. That means any decimal value is just mentioned, you just add 3 to that one. So 0 plus 3, that is 3. So value is 3. Then 1 plus 3, that is 4. So here it is 4. So up to 9. 9 plus 3 is how much?
12.
12. This representation is about 12. Got it? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then 8, 4, minus 2, minus 1. Here it is weighted code, but the positional value is, here it is 8, this is 4, this is minus 2, this is minus 1. Okay. So suppose the first one is 1. So how we will get 1? How we will get 1? Hello?
Yes, 4 minus 3, ma'am. So 4 minus 2 minus 1.
Very good. So that's why this one is 0, others are 1. Because minus concept is here. So initially 3 ones are coming. Okay. Then 2. How will get 2?
4 minus 2.
4 minus 2. So that is 0. Only these two will be active, others will be inactive. 0, 1, 1, 0. So like this you have to fill up to this. Okay.
Ma'am, can you explain the 2 for 2 1 again? Like XS3, we add 3 and put same as binary. And how we'll do in 2 for 2 1? For 5, what is the rule? Can you tell?
No rule. You have to just remember actually in 2 for 2 1 for 1, that is this one. Okay. For 2, it is taking this second, this 2, not this 2. Okay, this 2. For 2, it is this 2. Then for 3, first it is considering first this 2, then 1. Then for 4, this 4. 5 means which one? 5 is 2, 2, 1. It is considering 2, 2, 1. So only you have to remember nothing. Actually positions. That's why I'm telling that as this is not distinguished. So it has only specific application. We cannot use in general cases because sometimes it's just taking 3 is this 2. Suppose 3 means 2, 1 and someone is taking this 2, 1. So that will be also okay. Yes or no? Hello?
Yes. Yes.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
So for that cases that ambiguities is occurring. You have to, for 2, 4, 2, 1, if the two positional values are same, then you have to remember that the particular format, the format in the sense that means if in the transmitter side 5 you have taken as 1, 0, 1, 1, that means this is 1, 0, 1, 1, then at the receiver side you have to retrieve in that form only. Not that in any way. That means suppose 5 भी है तो 4 1 भी 5 हो सकता है. बट मैं ऐसा नहीं कर सकती क्योंकि मैंने ट्रांसमीटर साइड में मैंने इस 2 2 1 को मैंने 5 को लिया है. तो इसके लिए स्पेसिफिकली मुझको रिमेम्बर करना है क्योंकि अगर मैं 2 वैल्यूज को सेम रखती हूँ. लेकिन ये एक्चुअली कभी कभी प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगा क्योंकि जैसे कि एवरी डिजिटल वैल्यू के लिए 2 कॉम्बिनेशन आता है कि नहीं एवरी केस के लिए. तो इसी केस में हम लोग अगर कोई सिक्योरिटी में और हाईली सिक्योरिटी ट्रांसमिशन हम अगर करते हैं तो इसमें थोड़ा बहुत कंफ्यूजन आ जाएगा कि कौन सा लिया है, ये डिजिटल लिया है, ये वो डिजिटल लिया है. तो जनरली वी आर नॉट यूजिंग दिस 2421. Only for a particular purpose we are taking this 2421. Got it? Actually, we are now studying about this only codes. We are not studying the various application because so many application purpose they have designed this one. We have not discussed all this. So whenever we are studying more and more, we will know that we suppose for this case, we will use, suppose write down the 4-bit format. So generally we are preferring this one, 8421, which is widely used. And we are just knowing like this format, but this is not actually, this is actually the 8421 because every digit having the distinguished value. Then XS3 is used for a particular purpose that is it is write down, that is XS3 is known as self-complementing code. Write down XS3 is known as self-complementing code. Why? Write down. The meaning is 9's complement of a digital number. The 9's complement of a digital number is obtained by simply complementing 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. 9's complement of a digital number is obtained by simply complementing 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. For example, you just tell me, suppose 0's 9's complement is, hello, 0's 9's complement is
1.
0's 9's complement. Zero's 1's complement is 1. 0's 9's complement is
9.
9.
okay. So 0's 1's complement means 1 minus 0 is 1. Okay. But 0's 9's complement is 9 minus 0. That is 9. Okay. So you just check that one in XS3. 0 is represented as
0 0 1 1.
So whereas 9 is represented as
1 1 0 0.
so both are complementing each other. This
Yes, ma'am.
and this. Okay. Like this, 1's 9's complement is
8.
so 1 is represented as
0 1 0 0.
whereas 8 is represented as
1 0 1 1.
like this others. 2 is 0 1 0 1 and 7 is 1 0 1 1. 3 is 0 1 1 0, and 7 is 1011. Okay, so like this you have to write. So all of you just write down this codes up to 9 because 10 to 15 is not required. So just write down this code, that means decimal digit, then BCD 2421, XS3 and 84 minus 2 minus 1. Quickly just write down, then I will go for next.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ah,
Ma'am, in that axis 3, we
Yeah.
are adding 3 to the decimal digits.
yeah.
Ma'am, then
Actually,
why can't we just,
tell me.
if we will do that, we will decimal to binary, then we add binary digits of 3. Then why can't we get that similar answer?
No, I'm not getting what?
Ma'am, we will convert decimal digits that are given, like suppose 1, we will convert it to binary. Then we will convert that 3 to binary. Then we will add both of them. Then we are not getting that same result that in XS3. That why the difference?
0, 1, 0, 0 plus 3. You are not getting 4. 1, 0, 0 value is 0, 0, 0, 0. And 3 value is 0, 0, 1, 1. So after addition, what we are getting?
Ma'am, once again.
You are telling that I am just explaining that you have to add 3 to the decimal. You are telling that you have to represent to binary, then add that 3 to that one.
Yes, ma'am.
So my question is that suppose one cases, okay. So one in case of binary, what it is represented? What it is represented? 1 in case of binary, tell me.
0, 0, 0, 1.
0, 0, 0, 1 plus 3, that is 0, 0, 1, 1. Just add it.
1, 1.
कितना आता है? कितना आता है?
1, 0,
0, 0, 1, 0.
0, 0,
1, 0.
0, 0, 1, 0.
and 0, 1, 0, 0.
हाँ, तुम्हारा कितना आया?
मैम 0, 0, 1, 0 आ रहा था.
अरे मतलब जो आ रहा है आंसर वो किसका आ रहा है? बोलो, किस डेसिमल का वैल्यू आ
4 का.
रहा है? हाँ, तो प्रॉब्लम क्या है? That is written in that way that you have to add in the decimal digit, not it is not differentiate that if you will just convert to binary and add binary 3 to that one, that answer will be wrong. It is that in the sentence it is written that any decimal digit, so XS3 is just actually हम लोग किसका represent कर रहे हैं? देखो, ये एक्चुअली जो सारे जो कोड कर रहे हैं, ये डेसिमल डिजिट का ये फॉर्मेट है. हम डेसिमल डिजिट से ये कर रहे हैं, लाइक दिस 2421 ऑफ दिस डेसिमल डिजिट. यस, सॉरी, ये सर नो डेसिमल, ये जो 2421 हम किसका कर रहे हैं? किसका कर रहे हैं बोलो तो?
डेसिमल का.
डेसिमल का कर रहे हैं. तो ये डेसिमल का what is the relationship between from decimal digit to that format? So we are finding out like this in XS3. Whenever we are finding out the XS3, so it is written that whatever the decimal digit, you just simply put decimal 3 to that one. Whatever the value we are getting, just binary representation if you do, sorry, just binary representation you will do, then that is the representation. That doesn't mean that कि मैं उसका अगर बाइनरी करके अगर मैं 0, 0 का बाइनरी करके उसके साथ मैं बाइनरी 3 ऐड करूंगी तो वो भी मेरा 3 आएगा. गॉट इट?
Yes, ma'am.
तो ये सिर्फ डेसिमल इसलिए बोला जा रहा है क्योंकि हमको डेसिमल गिवन है. हम डेसिमल से एक्सेस3 कर रहे हैं. तो डेसिमल से which formula we are applying so that we'll get excess3? So it is just saying that in the decimal number you just add decimal 3 to that one, क्योंकि हम डेसिमल का रिलेशन निकाल रहे हैं. डेसिमल 3 करने के बाद जो नंबर आएगा उस नंबर का बीट में रिप्रेजेंट करो, 4 बीट में, तो आ जाएगा. Because here it is written that four different binary codes for the decimal digits. That means only the decimal digit is given to us. We are finding out this format or these two this format or these two this format or these two this format. Got it? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Just quickly write it down. Any other doubt? Girls? Girls, no doubt. No doubt means you have not cleared. Or all you understood? Swayam Jyoti.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am. मैं एक्चुअली वो क्या था,
तुम ही पूछ रहे थे?
एक्सेस3 का रिजल्ट. यस मैम.
अच्छा अच्छा, मैं तो वॉइस से पता चला, नहीं तो मैं ऐसे ही रैंडमली पूछी. वॉइस से पता चला कि तुम ही पूछ रहे थे. अच्छा. नहीं नहीं, देन
मैं एक्सेस3 का रिजल्ट का और बाइनरी का वो थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे करके समझ लिया था, इसलिए अलग आ रहा था रिजल्ट, इसलिए कंफ्यूज हो गया था.
अभी क्लियर तो?
यस मैम, क्लियर.
हाँ. आयुष्मान. आयुष्मान. Yes, I.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it yes or no?
Ma'am, for what?
Your name is yes means every time you have to respond me as yes.
No.
So tell me, have you understood yes or no?
Yes, ma'am, I understood. Ma'am.
Okay, always yes, no?
No, it's not necessary.
No, no. It is just your DP, it is representing only Y.
Ma'am, that's initial of my name.
So that's why I need, there should not be N. Only Y. Okay, any doubt regarding that?
No, ma'am, actually one doubt. Ma'am, since in BCD edition,
Yeah.
where we get one excess or it crosses the digit 9, then we add 6 to it.
Yeah.
Ma'am, so in excess3 code, is there a rule like that? Suppose we want to add to excess3 code numbers.
No, excess3 actually it is. Okay. Come to next PPT. Generally we are not doing any excess3 addition, but in excess3 addition also we have to check that one. What is the relationship between BCD, your binary sum, binary and excess3 relation? Okay. Actually, what happened? We are just checking that in binary number and BCD number up to 9, the binary is equal to BCD. So whenever we are doing any binary addition, so number is sum is 9. So in that case, binary 9 is BCD 9, so it is okay. But binary 10 is not equal to BCD 10, so we have to add 6. So if we do like this in the XS3, so we have to check that. So binary 10 and XS3 10, what is the relation? So basically we have not used that type of thing. But if you want to do, then we have to check that binary 10, whatever answer is getting, because generally we are doing the binary addition, result is also we are getting binary answer. So binary 10 to convert to XS3, what we have to do? Then that process we will use for XS3 addition. Got it? Up to 9, it is okay. That's why it is written that up to 9, जो भी सम आएगा 9 आएगा तब वो सेम रहेगा. लेकिन 9 के बाद अगर सम आता है, then to verify that part, we have to find out the relationship between binary and that corresponding format. हम लोग थोड़ा चेक करेंगे. तो अगर बाइनरी में अगर 10 आता है तो 1010 आता है, और XS3 में अगर 10 आता है तो वो कितना आता है? 000 आ जाता है. तो इन दैट केसेस व्हाट विल डू? 1010 आएगा, लेकिन हम उसको यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे फिर से 000 आ जाता है. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? उसको मतलब 10 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, तो जो भी फॉर्मूला होगा, इफ इट इज सेटिस्फाइंग, then that we are applying. But generally we are not doing the XS3. Only we are doing the binary addition. But तुम कर सकते हो. बोलो.
If we take 10 in XS3 code,
हाँ.
then it will be 01000011.
नहीं क्या बोला?
01000011 for 10 man.
10 in binary is 1010.
Yes, ma'am. In binary it's 1010. But ma'am, in XS3 I'm saying it will be 01000011.
में कितना होगा? 10 plus 3 मतलब 13 हो जाएगा. 13 का मैंने 13 का निकालोगे ना?
No, but we will take 1 and 3 separate digit na. Sorry, 1 and 0 as separate digit na in 10.
नहीं, वो XS3 का नहीं है. जो तुम जो बोले हो BCD में हम लोग जो इंडिविजुअली 1 का लेंगे, 3 का लेंगे, जो बोल रहे थे.
Yes, ma'am.
नहीं, वो XS3 का नहीं है, वो सिर्फ BCD का है. That one, that is individual bit is represented by the 4 bit, that will be for only BCD.
Ma'am, then in XS3, 10 will be 1101. If we add 3, that is 30. It's 1101. But ma'am, in that table it is written that unused bit combinations in XS, it is that 1101 is not valid. So ma'am, then
110, and it is saying that it is unused bit combination 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So in case of this one, this is 0, 1, 0, 1. This is 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2. This one is 3 means 1101. 1101 means 13. This is 14. This is 15. Okay.
Ma'am, in case of BCD, we wrote 14 as separately for 10001 and for 40100 like that. So how we would represent in XS3 2421? How we will represent that? Like if
No. Here only actually XS3 and other cases it is just written as up to 9 it is valid. others we have not considered. But for BCD cases, as we are also doing the BCD addition, so it is just considered, and BCD cases, single digit is represented by the 4 bits. So in that cases, we are representing. But in XS3, okay. Okay, we just check that one. Okay, just say XS3. Yeah, in XS3 also, suppose any number, suppose 10, 1, 0, if single bit is represented by 4-bit binary and 4-bit equivalent binary. So in XS3, we can tell that single digit is represented by adding 3 to that one. Are you getting my point or not? Just like, कैसे बोलूंगी, रुको, 1 minute. So in XS3, I can tell, suppose 3 and 6, like this. Up to 9, it is okay. But suppose 3, 6. So how you will represent?
Ma'am, 0, 1, 1, 0. And 1, 0, 0.
After adding 3 or same that 36 means same as for 3 and for 6.
No, tell me what will be the answer.
Ma'am, first we will add 3 to every single hit, na?
Yeah.
And then we will convert it to binary. Yes, ma'am. Then ma'am, 0, 1, 1, 0. 1, 0, 0, 1.
Yeah. So just like after 9, that means single digit, यहाँ जैसे कि हम बोलते थे कि सिंगल डिजिट को तुम ऐसे रिप्रेजेंट करोगे, तो जो डबल डिजिट जब आता है तो दैट डबल डिजिट इज नथिंग बट द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ द सिंगल डिजिट. तो जैसे ही तुम सिंगल डिजिट को रिप्रेजेंट करते हो, डबल डिजिट में इंडिविजुअली सिंगल डिजिट का रिप्रेजेंटेशन करोगे. डबल डिजिट या ट्रिपल डिजिट, सपोज 1, 0, 1, इसको क्या हम बीसीडी में नहीं लिख सकते? ऑल्दो वी आर अप टू राइटिंग 9, बट इन बीसीडी वी विल राइट इसका 4 बिट, इसका 4 बिट, इसका 4 बिट. वैसे ही XS3 में वही 1, 0, 1 का हम क्या करेंगे, इसमें 3 ऐड करके इसका 4 बिट रिप्रेजेंटेशन, R3 4 बिट रिप्रेजेंटेशन, R3 4 बिट रिप्रेजेंटेशन. लाइक दिस वी हैव टू राइट. मतलब फर्स्ट का क्या कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे, 0, 1, 0, 0. 0 का क्या रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे, 0, 0, 1, 1. 1 का रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे 0, 1, 0, 0. लाइक दिस एनी नंबर इज दैट वी हैव टू रिप्रेजेंट लाइक दिस.
मतलब मैम बीसीडी में जैसे हम कर रहे थे वैसे ही XS3 में ही होगा. मतलब
जैसे सिंगल डिजिट को हम 4 बिट में रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, वैसे ही सिंगल डिजिट में 3 ऐड करके उसका 4 बिट रिप्रेजेंटेशन करेंगे. ओके.
हाँ मैम, और वो 10 का जरा बताएंगे, वो 4 0
एडिशन, वो एडिशन के बाद हम थोड़ा चेक करेंगे. हाँ, वो एडिशन में हमारा आता है कि अगर हम ज्यादा मतलब ऐड करेंगे तो कैसा होगा. ओके. So first, have you just written that table?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Next binary codes. What is written? 2421 and XS3 codes are example of self-complementing codes. Okay. So we have checked about 242 XS3. So what about 2421? Whether it is self-complementing code? How can you check? How can you check?
I'm taking complement of each digit.
Which complement? 9's complement.
Yes, I'm reversing the digit. Yes, ma'am.
9's complement, and both are complementing each other. That we have to check. Okay. So here also we can check 0, 0, 0, 0 ka 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. This is 1, 1, 1, 0. So as both complementing each other. Complement of that number is complementing ones to 0, zeros to 1. So these and these are self-complementing code. Then, for example, decimal 395 is represented in XS3 code as 3 ka 6, 9 ka 12, and 5 ka 8. Okay. The 9th complement of 604 is represented as कितना होगा? 9th complement of 604.
Three nine five.
9th complement of 604. ये क्या है? 9 है.
Yes, 395.
ये क्या है? 9th complement of 3.
Yes, ma'am, 395.
नहीं, ये सिर्फ दिखाया गया है कि जो 395 and 604 are complementing each other. क्या दिखाया है? 395 का 9th complement क्या है? 604. हाँ, तो 604 and 395 in XS3 both are complementing each other.
Yes, ma'am.
That's why it is just telling that it is a self-complementing code. In case of 0 to 9, we have shown 0 ka 9 self-complementing. So any number if you are taking, suppose 395. So any number if you are taking, the 9th complement of that 4, that is 604, and that number binary representation and the 395 both are complementing each other. So that's why XS3 is a self-complementing code. The XS3 code has been used in some older computer because of its self-complementing property. XS3 code is an unweighted code in which each coded combination is obtained from the correspondingly binary value plus 3. Okay, that means binary value plus 3 or decimal value plus 3, we are getting the XS3 code. We are not by taking weighted value of any position, we are not getting that XS3. So that's why it is known as unweighted code. And BCD is not self-complementing code. Then come to gray code. So what is gray code? Gray code is also known as cyclic code or reflected binary code, reflected binary or gray code. So various names of gray code, and which is defined as an ordering of the binary number system such that each incremental value can only differ by 1 bit. In gray code, while traversing from one step to another step, only 1 bit in the group can change. And that is to say that two adjacent code numbers differ from each other by only 1 bit. So what is the meaning of all this? So here it is written that suppose any number or any code is written in the binary. Then what is the corresponding formula for finding out the gray code? So what we'll do, you have to keep the 0 or first bit as it is. Then first bit with the XOR operation with the second bit. So 0, 1 XOR is 0, 1 XOR is 1. So that 1 will remain as it is. Then this second bit is XOR with the third bit. 1, 0 is
1.
1. Then again third bit is XOR with the fourth bit. Answer is
1.
1.
1. Okay. गलत हो गया क्या? कितना बिट चेंज हुआ? कितना बिट चेंज हुआ? हाँ, एक ही बिट चेंज हुआ.
1 bit.
हाँ, मुझे लगा बहुत सारे बिट चेंज हो गया. हाँ, तो ये बिट सेम है, ये बिट सेम है, ये बिट सेम है, only 1 bit. So this is the formula for converting binary to gray. Okay. By this formula, we are just finding out a table. This is the binary input 4 bit. This is the gray code output of that 4 bit. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 0001, this is 0001. Then 0010 कैसे आएगा? 0 is 0, 00 क्या आएगा? 0, 01
1
and 10
1.
Like this, we have to complete the entire 16 combination. And here we can check that one in gray code. Only in the gray code, any 2-bit code words. Okay. So how many bits are changed? Any 2-bit code, any 2 code words. Code word mean actually total is the code and any 2 elements are known as the code word. So tell me, in between 2 code word, how many bits are changed? कितना बिट चेंज हो रहा है? जस्ट कि देखो ये एक कोड वर्ड है फर्स्ट वाला और सेकंड कोड वर्ड है सेकंड. कितना बिट चेंज हुआ है? कितना बिट?
1 bit.
So like this, any 2 combination, इसके साथ इसको करो.
1 bit again.
Like this, any combination you take, only single bit is changing. Okay. But देखो बाइनरी में 7 को चेक करो और 8 को चेक करो. बाइनरी 7 देखो 0 1 1. बाइनरी 8 is 1 0 0. Then how many bits are changed?
4 bits.
4 bits. But in decimal, we are taking from only one step ahead. In decimal, 7 to 8. Okay. But in binary, all the bits are changed. But in case of gray code, how many bits change?
Only 1 bit.
Only 1 bit. So what is the purpose of this one? It is saying that in the communication, mainly our requirement is that error detection. मतलब अगर हम लोग जो डाटा सेंड कर रहे हैं, हम लोग को कैसे पता चलेगा कि एरर, is there any error or not? So if I am using the gray code, so we will check that one. If we transmitted from one bit to another changes, see that only one bit will be changes. Okay. Then at the receiver side, same thing we are checking. So at the receiver side, if both than one bit is changes, then we can tell that there is an error. But if we will use the binary input, so in between the first 2 code word, in the first cases, देखो 0000, second bit is 0001. How many bit change? How many bit change? Hello? First one is 0, second one is 0001. Binary 0 and binary 1. कितना bit change हुआ है?
1 bit.
1 bit. 1 से 2 कितना bit change हुआ है?
2.
2 bit change हुआ है. 2 से 3 कितना bit change हुआ है?
1.
1 bit. That means, and in 7 से 8, how many bit changes? 4 bit. Binary. If
Yes,
we
ma'am.
will proceed from 7 to 8, then 4 bit changes. So there will be no any particular way that whenever we are proceeding from one to first one step ahead, then how many bits should be changes? That is not constant. So in that cases, if this format we will put in particular case of your secure transmission, then we cannot find out how many bits are error are there. Because हम लोग को तो कोई डिफाइन नहीं है कि एक ही बिट एरर माने एक ही बिट चेंज होना चाहिए या फिर 2 बिट चेंज होना चाहिए. तो इसमें तो वैरी हो रहा है ना. जबकि फर्स्ट से सेकंड बिट को 1 बिट हो रहा है, सेकंड से थर्ड बिट तो 2 बिट हो रहा है और 7 से 8 बिट तो 4 बिट हो रहा है. तो आज देयर इज नो constant cases, so it is very difficult to find out whether there is an error or not. But in case of gray code, as we know that every 2 consecutive cases, only a single bit is changes. So if it is more than 1 bit is there, then we can say that there is an error. Are you getting my point or not?
Ma'am, I'm not getting this binary to gray code conversion.
हाँ सुनो सुनो, एक्चुअली क्या मैं बोल रही हूँ कि अगर हम एक सिस्टम में बाइनरी एक डाटा सेंड करेंगे, गॉट इट, बाइनरी डाटा सेंड करेंगे तो पहले 0 सेंड करते हैं, 1 सेंड करते हैं। देखो 0 अगर सेंड हो रहा है, अगर 1 सपोज रिसीवर में तुमको 1 मिला है, सपोज 0 सेंड किए 1 तुमको आया है, तो कितना बिट चेंज हुआ है? 0 से 1 कितना बिट चेंजेस? 1 बिट चेंजेस है। तो अगर तुम देखोगे कि आउटपुट साइड में मेरा अगर कोई 0 तुम सेंड किए थे, आउटपुट अगर तुम्हारा 0 आएगा, देन यू कैन से दैट देयर विल बी नो चेंज। लेकिन अगर 0 सेंड किए थे, 1 आया, ओनली 1 बिट चेंजेस, देन यू कैन से दैट देयर विल बी एरर, है कि नहीं? हेलो, ओके। लेकिन अब 1 तुम सेंड किए थे और 1 सेंड करो, लेकिन 2 आ गया, तो कितना बिट चेंजेस हुआ है? 1 सेंड किए, मतलब कितना सेंड किए? 0
Yes, ma'am.
एरर से, और मतलब समझ रहे हो, एरर को अगर 0 हो जाएगा तो दैट इज नोन एज द एरर। तो यहाँ पे देखो, अगर तुम 1 सेंड किए, अगर 2 रिसीव हुआ, तो हाउ मेनी बिट्स आर चेंज्ड?
Bits मतलब
बीट मतलब समझिए। अच्छा, देखो तुम भेजे क्या, 0 यू हैव सेंड 0, 1 सेंड किया, मतलब क्या 0 0 0 1 यू हैव सेंड, but you have received 2. Suppose you have received 2, that means you have received 0 0 1 0. Then how many bits are changed from this? 2 bits means ये जो पोजीशन 1 था वो चेंज हो गया 0, ये जो 0 था वो चेंज हो गया 1। हेलो हेलो
मैम, can you repeat again, please?
देखो मैं बोल रही हूं कि एरर का मतलब क्या है। एरर का मतलब है इफ आई विल जस्ट सेंड 0 0 0 0 बट आई विल लिसन, I will send 0 0 0, but instead of 0 0 0 0, I will receive 0 0 1 0. Then error is there or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So how many bit error?
2 bit.
2 bit how?
Yeah, we are sending 0 0 0 and we got 0 0 1 0. Means so we got 2.
No. Beat changes means first beat same, second beat same, third beat was 0, that was changes to 1. देखो वैल्यू तो भी चेंज हुआ है, वैल्यू भी देखो 0 था, यह भी 2 हुआ है, ठीक है। तो मतलब वो 2 क्यों हुआ है? क्योंकि whatever you have said, in that cases 1 bit is changes to changes. मतलब 0 था, ये 1 हो गया। So for that reason this value changes or not?
Yes, ma'am.
तो सिंगल बिट एरर कितना बिट होया, कितना बिट का एरर आया? सिंगल बीट एरर आया। So both that single bit will be providing how much value error? That is the value is 2. मतलब 0 सेंड किए थे but I am getting 2. बट वो कितना बिट में चेंजेस आया? वो जो देखो फर्स्ट बिट 0 सेंड की and at the receiver side first bit is 0, second bit 0 I have sent, receiver side second bit is 0, third bit I have sent 0 but received 1, so 1 bit is changed. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is the how many bits changes. Okay, so like this it is telling that suppose the second, this is the decimal one I have sent in the binary form. So that is 0001, and suppose I will receive 2, decimal 2. So that is 0010. Then how many bits are changes? 2 bits. But I have sent 0 and received 1. Then how many bits changes? 1. Suppose I have sent 7 and received 8. Then how many? Sorry, this one is 7. This one is 8. Suppose this I have sent 7 and received 8. How many bits changes?
4. Yes.
4 bits. So, is there any constant mention that 1 to second bit, suppose every step, how many bits will be changing? Is there any constancy?
No, ma'am.
No. But in case of gray code what? You can check that one. Every 2 consecutive or any 2 compare between the 2 code words. So consecutive code word, there will be only a single bit change. If I will transmitted 0, I will receive 1. Then how many bit change?
1.
Suppose I have transmitted 1, received 2. How many bit change?
1.
1. So got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So, tell me.
This 1 bit, 2 bit changes, I got that. Can you please explain that conversion from binary to gray code again? That
Okay. So conversion from binary code to, suppose any one example I am taking, this one. Okay. So what we'll do, the first bit will be remain as it is. So this one will be remain as it is. Got it?
Yes.
Then first bit is doing the XOR operation with the second bit. XOR operation. So 1 XOR 0.
1.
So that 1 will be here. Ami?
Yes, ma'am.
Then second bit is XOR operation with the third bit. Answer is?
1.
That 1 is here. Then third bit is XOR operation with the fourth bit. Answer is?
0.
0. Got it? So first bit will be keeping as it is. Then first bit XOR with the second bit, keep the answer. Second bit with the XOR with the third bit, keep the answer. Then third bit with the fourth bit, keep the answer. So like this, we will get the binary to gray code conversion. Have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
And have you understood the importance of gray code in case of transmission?
Yes, ma'am.
So here it is telling that suppose we have transmitted in gray code and we are checking the output side, receiver side. So we will check that one, every code word, whatever we have received, whenever we are moved forward, that means one to next, like this. So consistency is maintaining. That means only one bit is changing. So is there that means whenever we are checking every 2 consecutive and anywhere I am getting that 2 bits are changes. Then I can find out that what?
An error will be there.
Error will be there because मुझे 2 consecutive में मुझे single bit changes चाहिए था, मतलब changes होना था, लेकिन अभी यहाँ पे मुझको 2 दिखा रहा है. That means there must be an error. But if I will send in the binary cases, then as 1 to second bit, so in case in some cases it is 1 bit changes, in some cases it is 2 bit changes, so in some cases it is 4 bit changes. Got it? So in between binary input and gray code input, actually binary to gray code output, but whenever we are transmitted, instead of sending the binary data, if we are just converting to gray code data and we will transmit it, then that will be more efficient in case of error detecting. Got it?
Yes.
Okay, that means I have just told about the application purpose of the gray code. ये बाइनरी टू ग्रे कोड का कन्वर्शन हम यहाँ पे पढ़ रहे हैं, लेकिन एक्चुअली वो कहाँ पे यूज हो रहा है और फॉर विच पर्पज वी आर यूजिंग द ग्रे कोड, दैट आई हैव डिस्कस. ओके, because all things are communication, we are discussing only for our communication purpose. How? Because the transmission media is nothing but the combination of 0 and 1. So error is detected and error is corrected. Till now, every time the research is doing on that, which type of error detection and error correction codes are to be find out. Okay. Then this is the binary to gray to binary conversion. So I think the time is over. So next class we will continue. Okay, any doubt regarding the today class?
Ma'am, what is that on wait and wait?
What?
What you told that XS3 is a unweighted code. So what is that unweighted?
Unweighted means actually weighted means suppose 8421. So 8421 means suppose 4 bit I am representing. The first bit value is 1, second bit value is 2, third bit value is 4. That positional value. Okay, and that fourth bit value is 8. Okay, so that's why we have represented 0 to 9. But in XS3, we are not finding the each bit positional value. How we are getting that code? By simply adding 3 to my decimal number. Suppose decimal number is 4, that is plus 3, that is 7. So simply 7 को हम represent करते हैं code में. हम ऐसा 7 को हम ऐसे 8421 या फिर 2421 in that way we are not finding. So that's why that is unweighted. मतलब each position का कोई value नहीं है, weightage नहीं है. Got it?
Got it.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.